Kinong tray ka Directorate of Civil Defence and Home Guards Meghalaya, hakashi tarik yayong kila Rakhe yakasngi sedang juga kunhun State Disaster Response Force. Mawdiangdiang hakaba ubraning isangma Menteri Civil Defence and Home Guards, Vijay Kumar Mantri Commissioner and Secretary, bat kiwe ki he ki han kila donlang hakani kasngi. Ubraning esang ma hakajingkran ulayaro yaki mati babhajong kanika kunhun ban pelat yaki pat ba na kijing jinjar bagiat tengko bat kibor mariang kum kajing tua jing shlei pelu yeng bat na kajing ki kha ki eryong erngit haki babun ki shnong ki thau ulaong kajing klo jong kanika kunhun ban tur sya kijing ban yarap yaki pat ba kamtam ban pelat yaki na kijing ma jing ban saw ki pat ba ka sorkar ka nyokor hadu kata yaki mati babhajong ki tang kata kajing sngi jong kani ka kunhun ban yada yaki pat ba ki basyong basa hakishnong kaput kalayo shibun kajing pertu bat kajing nyokor na ki pat ba kani ka jela ulakular baka sorkar hakipor bandangwan kanang penbiang yaki tiar kitar ki kor kibor bat kiwe kijing dan kam jong kani ka kunhun ban penstet yaki jing rab hakapor baklang kibor mariang ban pelat yaki pat ba na kijing ma bat jing yap jing mansaw Ula kentu iki dekhot jangka Civil Defence and Home Guards ban long ki bala kre parabor ban kener ki kiti jingerap yaki pat ba hakanu kasaw kasian.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. May I now request our Inspector to the Government of Meghalaya in charge Civil Defence and Home Guards Department, Shri Vijay Kumar Mantri, IAS. Sir. Thank you, sir.
Significant milestone. Establishment of the SDRF marks a new chapter in strengthening our state's disaster preparedness and response mechanism. Meghalaya, blessed with natural beauty, is also vulnerable to various natural calamities such as landslide, floods, and other unforeseen emergencies. In such situations, the importance of a well-trained, dedicated, and responsive force cannot be overstated. The rising of the SDRF today is a timely and visionary step towards safeguarding the lives, property, and in the environment. SDRF will serve as a specialized force equipped with skills and resources to respond quickly and effectively during disasters. I am confident that this force will work in close coordination with all stakeholders and agencies to ensure a robust disaster management system in our state. I would like also to place on record my deep appreciation for the tireless efforts and sacrifice made by the personnel of Civil Defence and Home Guards. Your commitment to duty upon challenging and risky conditions reflects your dedication to the service of unity. You are truly the silent guardians in times of crisis. On the occasion, I urge all members of the NEHU rise as there to uphold the highest standards of professionalism, spirit, and compassion. Your role is not only to disaster, but also to instill confidence and hope among the people living the most difficult years.
He makes an approach to the marooned victim. The rescuers then swiftly set up the rope on the rooftop to lower the victim to the boat. In a real-life scenario, the rope can be delivered to the rooftop by using a rope delivery gun, such as a rescue launcher or a line-throwing device. After establishing the lifeline, one rescuer with full body harness is ascending towards the victim by gibbering technique. The Meghalaya SDRF personnel are professionally trained to respond to any kind of disasters and actively involved in rescue operations. They also play a key role in flood survey during the pre-monsoon season and handle the report to the district or state disaster management authority. The SDRF had responded to multiple flood rescue operations in different locations, some of which are flood incident at Kinchi, Eastern West Khasi Hills in September 2020, flood incident at Shillong, East Khasi Hills on May 2022, flood incident at Dalu, West Garo Hills on October 2024. Through hard work and dedication, the SDRF team had saved many lives throughout the state during the flood. Coming back to the scenario, the rescuer, on reaching the victim, secured him with a full. Then, the rescuer slowly descends using grappling techniques, making their way down to the waiting boat. The SDRF team will now transport the victim to a designated safe location by the demo RIP boat, RIB boat, providing relief and ensuring their safety and security. Behind the green flag and opposite the saluting base. Walk to in Myanmar for crossing rivers between two poles or trees. It is properly maintained. People can be safe. And reported back to the headquarters. Thank you. May I now call upon the Commandant, 1st Battalion State
Commandant of Home Guards Battalion, Commandant 1st Battalion State Disaster Response Force, Meghalaya. I'm privileged to stand here and post both flags on behalf of this joyous occasion. Honorable Minister, Government of Meghalaya, to be present with us on this occasion. As Sir had mentioned in his speech, the response force are on moral high and are inspired. Sir, by your words, progress in the way. Thank you, sir. I would also like to thank